Hi, in this video, let me tell a few words about databases in the main and the background of SQL. So let's get started. SQL stands for Structured Query Language, and it was created by Edgar Todd in 1970. It was his first model. And this is just a basic programming language to manipulate data in a relational database management system. So SQL is based upon relational algebra, and the data structure behind SQL is the so-called Bay tree usually, although it depends on the concrete implementation. I'm not sure whether you are familiar with data structures in the main, such as linked lists, binary search trees, balanced binary search trees, hash maps, hash tables, and Bay trees. It is not so important in order to be able to write good queries concerning SQL, but as far as I am concerned, I think it's very good to know the theoretical background for these kinds of databases, for example, and the data structures behind them. So the data structure is usually a Bay tree, and that's why databases in the main are very fast. So the SQL allows users to access data in relational database management systems. It allows users to define the data in a database and manipulate that data, and of course allows users to create and drop databases and tables and create functions, set permissions, and so on. We are going to do it on a step-by-step basis, so it will be clear. And this is how a relational database looks like. It has columns, it has rows. For example, the ID, the name, and the age. And this is just a simple database table, which is the most common and simplest form of data storage in a relational database. And the rows of this database are called the rows or the records, and we can manipulate these kinds of data. For example, if we want to get rid of the user with ID 1, we can do it with the help of SQL. If we would like to update, for example, the ages, we can do it with the help of SQL, and of course we can insert new entities into this table, we can drop the whole database table, and so on. So that's what we are going to talk about in the coming videos. Thanks for watching.